tried to bury them, but my heart gave them a home. Broken is comfortable when it's the only thing you can still hold. I know you haven't let yourself dream. I've seen you out there planting a little seed. That dirt and good light holds so many possibilities for you to grow. You just gotta do some slow digging, some deep, deep, deep living, some hard living, you just gotta do some I know you feel like you've got nothing left to give, but you cannot give up hope. There's something going on down deep in your soul. There's still room for hope. Oh, you just gotta do some soul digging, some deep, deep living, some hard to really try living. You just gotta do some tried to bury them, but my heart gave them a home. Broken is comfortable when it's the only thing you know. There's still room to grow. Don't give up hope. You gotta dig deep down, dig deep down. I feel like they need to be Mama into something, but we haven't figured out what it is yet. Well, somebody want to... Can it be Dim Papas instead of and the Papas? Because Mama and a couple Papas. Well, if you guys have any ideas, let us know afterwards. This last tune is one y'all have heard before, if you know me, but it's a little reimagined now. I'm excited for y'all to hear it.